YouTube! Hey, that was a little bit more exciting. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I like this intro, bro. But hey, man, what's good with y'all boys, man? Today, I gotta stop telling y'all what I'm doing today, man. I gotta stop that. That's something I need to stop doing. I got into a habit of doing it, and I probably need to stop it. Because I want y'all to like enjoy the video. Maybe y'all just don't want to get told what I'm doing, you know? But we having a little bit of fun today. We're having a little bit of fun. I mean, it's not gonna be a long video. I'm still gonna give y'all a solid 10 minutes. You know, I can't go wrong without giving y'all a solid 10 minutes. But it's not gonna be a long ass video. But we is having fun today, man. We're doing a little bit of shit different. What is that? A wide body cat? A wide body scat. And this big ass Tonka truck tried to take me out. Wide body scat. I ain't never seen a purple wide body scat though. That's different. I ain't gonna lie to you. That shit must be a rap. It gotta be a rap. Cause I deadass have not seen a purple wide body scat. That or it's like some 2024, 2023 shit. Oh wait, don't they got like a the damn? I'm lagging in real life. Don't they got like a what is that? A super stock or some shit? What is that shit? The Super B or is that just a Charger? Do they got that shit in Challenger? Let me know. Let me know. I really don't know. I really have never seen a fucking purple wide body scat, bro. Challenger at that. I really have not ever seen that a day in my life. How y'all doing though, man? I hope y'all doing well. I hope y'all are really enjoying Vlogmas. I really did think about missing today, but I'm not gonna edit this video. This is gonna be a full unedited ass video that I'm just finna just give to y'all because why not, bro? Why would I miss that regular ass GT? Why would I miss a day of Vlogmas, bro? It hit different when I really wanted to miss Vlogmas and fail Vlogmas, but I said, nah, I can't disappoint. I gotta do it for the fans. So this is strictly for my fans, bro. This is strictly for my fans. I usually don't. I mean, yeah. If I just wasn't fucking with it, I really wasn't fucking with it, and I wouldn't do it. But this is just literally strictly for y'all. So cause I'm not saying we cutting up or nothing, but we is doing some you know, something light. But that nigga someone was like, something light. I ain't gonna lie, that GT low-key trying to kind of keep up with me, and that shit funny as fuck. He should know better though. Come on now, you should know better, buddy. Don't do it. Don't do it to yourself. Don't embarrass yourself like that, my boy. Don't embarrass yourself like that, buddy. Do not embarrass yourself like that, my boy. It won't look good for you, my boy. It will not look good for you, my boy. Don't try it. Why my shit whining low key? Did y'all hear that? My shit say hey, yo, that shit really doing that shit too. No bullshit. My shit real life whining. That little ass GT boy. He knew better. That nigga was full throttle too, by the way, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear that shit, but that nigga was definitely full throttle. And he will. You seen how quick I passed that nigga up. So either that was a. I don't think that shit was either it wasn't a GT and that shit was an EcoBoost or something, but that nigga was lacking. What they got going on here? Hey, the little Mexican workers that be on the side of the road, bro, they be having some wild shit. Cause what is that? What is that? That look like something I give my, like, I don't know, my girl or my mom or some shit. But yeah, man, say man. Oh my God. Oh my. Nah, I really, if I had money right now, I guarantee you, if I had cash right now, I would dead ass buy that shit. I don't even know what the fuck it is. It just look interesting. It really do. It just look interesting. And that's the only reason why I say I will fuck with it. Cause I don't know what the fuck that shit is, bro. Y'all tell me what the, man, get your big ass Ford Ranger out the way. I don't know what the fuck that is. I think it's just like it's probably just like a base with some lights in that motherfucker, for real, some shit. You know how motherfuckers be, they just be trying to be creative type shit. Does that make sense? Hey, I got a question. So, if you got a charger, y'all should be like that, bro. Y'all be at 14.5 volts, my nigga. Let me know. Like, let me know if I'm missing something, because I could have swore a couple weeks ago my shit was at 14. I'm at 14.5 now for some reason. Don't know why. I don't know why. I might just end up taking my car apart. No bullshit. That, or I'm trying to, or check the battery, something. Damn, bro. That nigga car loud as hell. That shit going squeak, 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 squeak. Loud ass. I think that's, what is that? I don't even know what the fuck. I don't know trucks like that. I really do want to, I want to get into trucks, bro. Somebody put me on the trucks. What trucks look good? What trucks is the best trucks? That nigga ain't never heard some shit like that, boy. He ain't never in his life heard some shit like that. Get you a Dodge, buddy. Get you a Dodge. What is this, the Amazon man? Did that bitch just tell me to slow down? Hey, I think a bitch just told me to slow down. I really do think she just told me to slow down. I feel like I heard that out the corner of my ear. Damn, I heard that out the corner of my ear to slow down. The corner of my ear to slow down. That's what I need to do. I think I heard her say slow down out my ear. Out my ear. Damn, I'm just fucking up. She told me to slow down, bro. I'ma slow down. Because the old lady told me to. She said, slow your bitch ass down. And that's what I'm gonna do. But we are home, my boy. A nice little cutting up session all the way home. I think I got home in like 8 minutes from where I was. And that's fast as fuck, because it's supposed to take me 15 minutes. So that just explains how fast I was going. Hey, man, why this bum, bro? Fucking the bum, fucking, I seen a bum here the other night, bro. Why that nigga flattened one of my tires? Nigga, just one. Bum flattened one of my tires, bro. And that nigga low-key pissed me off. It was funny, though, when I thought about it. I'm like, damn, bro, you flattened one tire, bro? You didn't want to put no other tires on flat. You just said, fuck it, this one. And I drove around on that shit until I was like, wait a minute, like, why my car feel weird? Like, nigga, my car going sideways and shit for no reason. And I thought about it, like, damn, like, maybe one of my tires is flat. And so be it, so it was. One of them bitches was flat as hell. So, but, yeah, man, this will be the end of this video. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow, bro, because what? Not missing Vlogmas, bro. I'm sorry. I won't do it again. I didn't miss it today, but I definitely am uploading this shit late as fuck because I wasn't feeling it today. But I'm gonna make sure I'm on point. I'm gonna get my video. I'm gonna get my videos, and I'm gonna continue uploading. So that'll be the end of this video. If you like, comment, subscribe, share, and comment down below if y'all want to see some more of me cutting up. And that'll be it. Peace.